this is Bino. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I wanted to do is talk about my climbing saddle. I've had a few questions about it, so I thought I would go over a few things about it. All right, let's get to it. So here it is. It's a Buckingham Master 5.0. They also call it a Buck 5.0. I got it a few years back, almost 3 now. My wife bought it for a Christmas gift for me, and we actually did a video on it. So I'll get right down to it. Over here are the D-rings, and what I understand about these D-rings is they're kind of pushed forward a little bit, not so far back, and they're not oversized or undersized. They're actually nice. And then the way they sit on your belt, they're easy to get to. So I'm really happy about that. Here's the belt that locks you in. You know, I like these snaps. They're really great, and it's a nice belt. The thing that I don't like so much about it is it kind of loosens up on me. Not really for me, not when I'm climbing, but I have to definitely make sure that I readjust it every time I'm going to wear it. I know some other guys, when they wear it, sometimes it'll run on them a little bit, and they got to readjust as they climb. So that's kind of a little bit of a downside. Now going down to the next piece here, this bridge that's adjustable, you can adjust it. There's straps here, and you can lock them in with these bungees. So you can have this further out or tight. I prefer it really tight up against my waist. What I do like about the saddle is it has all these 9, I believe there's like 9 tie-in points, and they're rated for climbing. So the outer one's here, the 2 that are here for center climbing. They've got a sliding bridge. Now the downside about this sliding bridge, it's not really that long, and it's not, you can't change it out. It's pretty much in there. So if you're somebody who uses a rope bridge and you wear it, you know, you probably have to change out your saddle. It's not like a replaceable. Or if you like a longer bridge, you can't change it out. Also, there's a couple of other tie-in points down here. I like all of these options because sometimes I like to do a few different things when I'm climbing. I'll go down to these leg straps. They've got really a wide strap, and the bungee in the back is really pretty thick. They never move on me. They stay in place. When I put them on, I mean, I really like the way it feels. And to undo this, you just press down, and it clips right in. Really nice. Same with the other side. It's the same kind of thing. So I'll come around to the back here, and they have all these clips. So if you, for like your chainsaw, you put these clips on the boat clip, and you know, a clip for your chainsaw and your lanyard. They have these accessory loops. You know, these accessory loops are just for accessories, nothing heavy. And then you also have the same option on the other side for a chainsaw. So whether you're right or left-handed, you can have a chainsaw loop. And I really like the back. It's really kind of stiff, and it's wide. I never get back pain when I'm wearing this. The way it sits on me, it's great. Very comfortable. Honestly, I've had it for almost 3 years. Enjoying having it. I did buy one for work. This is my home saddle. I also got Noah one of these, and I bought my whole crew. I got a 6-man crew. I like it because they can do, you know, everybody climbs a little bit different, and this one saddle can give you a bunch of different options. I mean, there's so many different saddles out there, yeah, but I really enjoy this one, and so far I really like this saddle. And so I'll show you a few of the things that I like to do with it. So one of the things I like to do is sometimes I might just use the rope, you know, just like the old-fashioned system, and I'll use a small rope bridge. So with this saddle, what I like is it has these 2 posts here, so I can do the one tie-in with a carabiner, and I could put a pulley underneath. It's right next to it, and so when I'm climbing, all I have to do is pull this up, kind of like I'm going to use, you know, like a split tail system, and then I can tend my line. I like it that it's just right here, you know, that it's so close to me, that it works pretty cool. That's just one of the things I like if I plan on using a old-fashioned system with this rope, saddle. So another way is that sometimes it may tie in is on a double tie-in. This is really kind of nice because you already have your initial tie-in point would be here. It's in the center, and then with the sliding D in that ring, if I wanted to go out way on another limb, I could also do a double tie-in. So I could also have this point here. It's really nice. I don't have to really change anything. Normally I would have a D ring here, and if I was doing like a double tie-in, it would all be connected to that one ring there. But this way it's pretty nice situation. So here's another way that I like to tie in sometimes with the outer top points. You know, it's more for comfort. A lot of people ask me that. That's kind of one of the things I wanted to show is, you know, I always have the center, and a lot of times when I use the center, it kind of pushes on my hips. But if I decide to do, say, MRS system, I like to have it just a little bit wider. It's more for comfort. So when I'm walking around, it's not pushing my hips. You know, when I do single or stationary rope, I have to have it in the center. There's no really choice. But like sometimes this is just a little bit more comfortable on me. And sometimes if I'm going to lean on something, I could put the ropes on my shoulders and lean out this direction. Don't do that too often anymore. A lot of times I've been using stationary, but here's just another option. It's nice for my comfort. So for the majority of the time, I'll use these D rings on the side belt for my lanyard. You know, there might be a time where I want to have you to use my climbing post. So with carabiners, if I got a lanyard with carabiners, it's easy to do. All you do is connect to the outside D rings. You'll still have your center post, or you'll be tied in here. But if you wanted to have more of a hanging post than just a side post that just kind of hold you up, that's also another option. If you had like carabiners, you clip into that. It's safe, it's rated. Another nice option for the belt. Well, so that's the Buckingham Master 5.0, also known as Buck 5.0. Some of the things that I like to do with the belt, I don't know if I answered all the questions that people ask me. If you have any more questions, make a comment, let me know. Or if you have this belt, let me know how you like it. I hope you guys liked that video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like the things we do. And by all means, share our videos with your friends. All right, take care. We'll see you next time.